Does using a lookalike audience 2% in one ad account and an ad campaign and 3% in another ad account and ad campaign could interfere with each other and lower your results, conversions, etc.? Both campaigns are conversion campaigns. Now, theoretically, when you are targeting similar audience, when you talk about lookalike audience 2% and 3%, they are similar audiences. And especially if you're using the same source, right? One is 2%, one is 3%. So 3% includes 2%, theoretically. All right. It's just that, 3% covers more people because it expanded into like other people who are like, 3% is according to the country, so-called Facebook user size. So when you are running ads like this, theoretically, both of these campaigns will be competing among each other. All right. But what I would actually say here is it would not be very significant unless you're spending really big, that it could exhaust the audience really quick, and that might become a challenge. And whether you're using the same ad account or different ad account, they will be competing among each other, but nonetheless, it won't be very significant. That's what I want to say. So as long as you are actually controlling your frequency at the more reasonably low level, and then you have some exclusion in place, as in like, if both are actually using the same page, you make sure that you're excluding people who interacted recently and all that. These are our standard exclusion. That will reduce the overall frequency of both campaign on both ad accounts, and that should actually lower your competition among these two ads. So yeah, but if you are actually running two different ads, like two different messages and all that, I think it's fine, right? To let them see both. But yet again, this is really your strategy. So I would say as long as the frequency is at the lower side, I think you should be fine. But just a quick one, Alex, if you need help, right, since you run ads, so I would like to invite you to actually buy me a coffee. Yeah, I invite you to buy me a coffee. That sounds very interesting. But anyway, if you want me to actually look into your campaign and give you suggestions about, like what have you done right or wrong? How can you actually improve your performance? How can you do better? How can you do differently with your campaign? How can you exclude? How can you, like draw a different strategy for your Facebook ads campaign by looking at your existing data? So this is a one-on-one Facebook ads analysis exercise where, like we will spend half an hour together, 30 minutes to look into your existing campaign to give you suggestions. So scan this QR code, it will bring you to Fiverr. Okay, and then after that, you buy me a coffee and we can spend half an hour together to look into your campaign. So yeah, so this is how we can quickly look into whatever you have right now and see, how can we do better. So yeah,